Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can copy a video and put it down on CapCut. So here I have two videos on my CapCut timeline, and let's say I want to copy the first video. So what you need to do is just click on the clip and then swipe the toolbar at the bottom until you find the copy option. So just click on that and the clip will automatically be copied like this. There will be two videos side by side, but if you want to make it overlay, you can just click on one of the clip and find overlay options. Okay, so you can put it anywhere you like that. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Thank you.